Let's talk about the coin change problem for number of ways. Imagine you have a few coins with different values and a target amount you want to make. The question is, how many different combinations of coins can add up to that amount? You can use as many coins as you like, and the order doesn't matter. Take coins 1, 2, 3, and an amount of 6. How many ways do you think there are? Well, here are some. 6 ones, 4 ones and a 2, 2 ones and 2 twos, 3 ones and a 3 or 2 threes. Altogether, that's 7 different ways. Now, instead of listing them all by hand, how can we actually compute that number? That's where dynamic programming comes in. Let's see how it works step by step. We initialize an array from 0 to the target amount, so here it's 7. Each index represents the amount. We set index 0 to 1 because there's exactly one way to make amount 0 by choosing nothing. The rest start as 0. Now here's the important part. For each coin, we update the array starting from that coin's value. For each amount, we look back by the coin value, take that value, add it to the current value. Let's check the coin value 1. For amount 1, we look back one step and add it to the current value, so it becomes 1. For amount 2, we look back one step again, add it. We keep repeating this process for the rest of the amounts. Next, we move to coin value 2. Starting at amount 2, we look back 2 steps and add it to the current value. We do the same for amount 3, and that gives us 2. At amount 4, we look back 2 steps again, add it to the current value, and get 3 ways. That means there are 3 ways to make 4 using coins 1 and 2. Finally, let's look at coin value 3. At amount 3, we look back 3 steps and add it to the current value, updating it. We continue this process for the rest of the row. At the end, the last value in the array gives us the answer. In this case, it's 7. Once you understand how it works, it's easy to implement. Let's look at the code. We start by initializing an array of size amount plus 1. We set index 0 to 1 and the rest to 0. For each coin, we update the DP array starting from that coin's value up to the target amount. At each step, we calculate the new value by taking the current value and adding the value from the amount minus the coin value. Finally, we return the value at the target index, and that's how we solve the coin change problem for number of ways using dynamic programming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.